Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Warren County, central Marion County, until 7:45 p.m. At 7 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Marion, moving southeast at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Marion, Cardington, Morrill, Waldo, Caledonia, and Edison. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now look